In today's video, we're going to be talking about how to create a complete funnel using AI and PLR. If you'd like to learn a little bit more about that, stick around to the end. Alright guys, let's go check it out. If you're looking to build a complete digital product funnel quickly and without a ton of effort, combining AI and PLR products is one of the easiest and most effective ways to do it. PLR stands for Private Label Rights, which basically means you can buy the rights to content like ebooks, courses, and articles that you can rebrand and resell as if you made it yourself. But before you start editing and selling anything, it's important to read through the PLR license to make sure you're allowed to do what you're planning. Some products like MRR or Master Resale Rights or Resale Rights don't let you claim authorship, and others might limit how you can use or resell the content, so skipping this step could get you in trouble. I highly recommend using a site called PLR Database. It's a site I go to regularly to be able to create products and sell them online. I'll leave a link for this in the description down below. Once you've found a PLR product with a license that gives you full freedom, you're ready to move on to step 1 in your funnel. Step 1. Create a lead magnet from your PLR ebook. The first part of any funnel is the lead magnet, which is basically a freebie you offer in exchange for someone's email address. A good lead magnet should give your audience a quick win without giving away the entire solution. You can use your PLR ebook for this by pulling out just a couple of chapters and turning them into a shorter ebook. Now, to make sure it doesn't look like every other copy out there, go over to ChatGPT and copy and paste just the first chapter into the chat. In case you don't know what ChatGPT is, here's a brief explanation. ChatGPT is a type of computer program made by a company called OpenAI. It's designed to understand what you type and respond with answers that sound like a real person. You can ask it questions, get help with writing, or even ask it to rewrite something for you. The paid version allows you to create AI-generated images. Ask ChatGPT to rewrite the chapter so that it sounds different, but still keeps all the same key points, and make sure to ask it to stick to about the same word length. Don't just paste the entire ebook at once, because the AI just can't write that amount in one go. And it could also reduce the quality of the writing. Instead, work on one chapter at a time, which keeps things clean and lets ChatGPT focus better on giving you a quality rewrite. Once you've gone through a couple of chapters this way, put them together and turn them into a short PDF ebook that can be used as a lead magnet. Now you have something valuable to give away that helps build your email list and starts your funnel. Step 2. Rewrite the entire ebook for the main product. Just like you did with the lead magnet, you'll want to paste each chapter into ChatGPT one at a time. Just like before, ask ChatGPT to completely rewrite each chapter so it sounds unique, but still covers all the key information that was in the original. Tell it to match the word count and style as close as possible, so the overall structure of your ebook stays consistent. Once you've gone through and rewritten every chapter this way, combine them into a brand new document. You now have a completely original ebook that looks and sounds different from the PLR version, but still delivers the same value. This becomes the core product in your funnel, and you can either sell it on its own or bundle it with your video course. Step 3. Turn the rewritten ebook into a full video course. Inside the same ChatGPT conversation you used to rewrite the ebook, take each chapter and ask it to write a video script based on that chapter. Make sure to ask ChatGPT not to include any production prompts, just a clean, natural script that's ready for narration. Just like you did with the ebook, do this one chapter at a time, so you end up with a separate video script for each module of your course. Once you've got your script ready, head over to Pictory and upload each one into their script-to-video tool. Pictory will automatically turn your script into a professional-looking video using stock clips, transitions, and text overlays. Don't worry if you don't like the clip it shows. You can always change it while you're editing it. If you want to keep it personal, you can use your own voice to narrate each video. If you'd rather go the AI route, head over to 11 Labs and use one of their realistic AI voices, or even clone your own voice if you want it to sound more like you. Download the voiceover as an MP3 file and upload it into Pictory to replace the default voice in the video. Repeat this process for each chapter of your ebook, and you'll end up with a full course made up of consistent, high-quality videos. Hey, just quickly, if you're finding this video helpful, do me a favor and smash the like button, and while you're at it, don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss out on any upcoming videos that'll help you grow your digital business even faster. Step 4. Create an upsell using ChatGPT. To boost your earnings, it's a great idea to add an upsell to your funnel, which is either an equal price or higher price offer that people can buy after they've purchased your main product. This could be an advanced ebook, a second course, or a deeper dive into a topic you've already covered. Head back to ChatGPT and ask it to help you brainstorm an upsell that complements the ebook and video course you just created. Once you've got a solid idea, ask ChatGPT to create an outline for a new ebook based on that upsell idea. Then ask for a matching outline for a course that follows the same structure. Once the outline looks good, start asking ChatGPT to write the actual content, one chapter or module at a time. Use the same process as before. Rewrite with the same length. Focus on clarity and keep all the main points. Once you've got the upsell book and course written, go back to Pictory and upload the new course script the same way you did before. Use the same voiceover style, either yours or 11 Labs voice, to make sure the course has a consistent and professional feel. Now you've got a complete upsell that can bring even more revenue and increase the value of your funnel. Step 5. Host everything on Heights platform. Once everything is created and ready to go, you'll need a place to host your products, and that's where Heights platform comes in. So what is Heights platform? Heights platform is an online course builder that doesn't just host your videos and documents. It actually uses AI to help design your website and course layout automatically. You can upload your lead magnet, main product, and your upsell. As well as that, you can also host and play your videos all in one place and present it like a complete course experience. You'll be able to customize the branding, the course structure, and how the content is delivered to your users. It also gives you multiple pricing options. You can set up a one-time payment, subscriptions, installment plans, or even pay what you want models. Now, Heights platform makes it simple to run everything under one roof without needing to piece together multiple tools. You won't need a separate membership site, landing page builder, or payment processor. It's all built in and handled for you. I'll leave a link with a 15% discount below in the description box and pinned comment section. Just use the product code at the checkout. Now, let's do a funnel recap. Firstly, we start with PLR products and make sure the license allows you to edit and resell it. Next, we use ChatGPT to rewrite 2 or 3 chapters and turn them into a free lead magnet that builds your email list. Then after that, you'll need to rewrite the entire ebook using ChatGPT, one chapter at a time, so it sounds unique and provides real value. Next, ask ChatGPT to write a video script for each rewritten chapter. Then upload those scripts to Pictory and turn them into a complete video course. Use your own voice or 11 Labs for consistent high-quality voiceovers. Next, go back to ChatGPT and get it to create some upsell ideas. Once you've chosen your idea, then get it to create the outline for both the ebook and the course, and then ask it to write the content step by step. Turn the upsell into both a second ebook and a matching video course using the same process. Finally, upload everything into Heights platform and let its AI tools build your course, website, and handle your payments. Now, you've got your lead magnet, main offer, and upsell all created using AI. With tools like ChatGPT, Pictory, 11 Labs, and Heights platform, you don't need to be a tech wizard to build something that looks professional and actually sells. All it takes is a bit of time, a little creativity, and a willingness to let AI do most of the heavy lifting for you. If you got some value out of this video, have you smash the like button as well as subscribe, and also hit the bell icon so you can be notified when we upload more videos. Hey, wait, right? Want to consider sharing, and also leave a comment down below and let me know what you think of this method of being able to create a complete funnel using AI and PLR. Also, to let you know, right here is a video I believe you might like. Down here is a video YouTube thinks you might like. Right here, well, that's an image of my head, and if you click on that, you'll be able to subscribe. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching, and bye for now.